Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian, thanks for tuning in. It is hot as Hades down here in my studio today. The humidity is terrible, so forgive me. Today I am going to be doing a ribbon pour, and I'm gonna do it on a black base because the colors I've picked are really gonna pop with a black base. So I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna hopefully leave a lot of the black base showing, so you've got like just various different blocks of color in black, blocks of color in black. You'll see. All right, let's get down the canvas, get started. I'm sorry, it's very hot. Let's get going. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what I've got today is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas taped and push pinned on the back. I'm using 6 colors in this ribbon pour. I'm gonna do kind of like figure eights with the ribbon overlapping with a black base coat. I painted my sides and edges black. That way I don't have any white canvas poking back through. So my first color I'm going to be using is the Ice Blue from DecoArt Metallics, Dazzling Metallics. These paints are mixed with 1.5 ounces of gloss medium to 2.5 ounces of paint and about 3 ounces of Floetrol. So the paints are on the thicker side. The Dazzling Metallics is a much thinner paint than the rest, so I didn't use much Floetrol in this. So this is really just the Dazzling Metallics and gloss medium and just a touch of Floetrol. My next color is Quinacridone Rose Light, and I added some white to it to lighten it up. Next color is Pebeo in the Iridescent Violet Blue. This here is Artist Loft in the Soft Body White. This is Arteza Glacier Blue, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful color, love that one. And this is Amsterdam and Light Rose. I'm gonna need about 14 ounces of paint, so I'm just gonna fill up a 16-ounce cup. So I'm gonna be alternating dark light, dark light, dark light. So this here's the Ice Blue. This is that special pink. The Violet Blue. Some white. Glacier Blue, Light Rose. That's gonna be some pretty colors. I'll probably just do this 2 more times. So I'm gonna put down some black here. Let's give it a little torch. So now I'm just gonna do some figure eights. Now, as with my last paintings, let's see what happens with this Artist Loft White. I see little itty bitty cells popping up through here. So it's interesting. So I know this is going to go off because I've got a little circle down here. So I'm just going to start off with this side. Bring the weight down this way. Push that right over the edge. Come on back. Here to the center. We'll go off this side. Still got quite a bit of paint on here, so I'm just kind of moving this around. Right. All right, here we are with the wet result. I really love this. I like the negative space. The holes are kind of minimal. They're not huge gaping holes, and you get to really see all the colors. Really cool. It's selling up nice. So let's bring you in here for a close-up. All right, let's see this dry. Be right back. Okay guys, here we are with the dried result. Dried really wonderful. The sun's going down, so I need to get this done quickly before I lose my light. But look at the color blocking with the black and the blue and the pink, how it just worked out great. Bring you in here. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Love the colors. Look at the block colors of black throughout this. Just amazing. I'm really liking this a lot. It dried wonderful, just beautiful. I'm very happy with it. And I like this color scheme with the pink and the blue. Really cool. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Everyone, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.